on down with eyes and ears right over here. Well, you don't have to have your eyes and ears yet. Let's come over here first and talk about it. Probably easier to look in the windows. All right.
I won't shoot. You want me to demo?
Yes, sir. What we're gonna simulate here is wherever you parked, parking lot, at home, whatever you've got here. The car's off. You've already taken the keys out of the ignition. So driving away, getting off the X is not an option. Silhouette target there showed up with a gun and started shooting at you, right? You're going to draw from the seat, take 5 shots on old boy there, boom, 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 boom. You're going to go empty, exit the vehicle. We're going to back our way around the vehicle, keeping eyes on the suspect, get low behind the belt line or below the window line, reload, and then go to the steel target for as many rounds as you want, 3 to 5, whatever, something good like that. Good? Now, all right, why are we doing it that way? You could run around the front of the vehicle in the real world environment. I could jump across the seat and get out of the cold side of the vehicle, risk getting shot in the butt. I don't want that, right? I could turn and run around the car, all options. The only reason we're not turning and running around the car, same reason we're shooting until we go empty before we get out of the car, is just safety protocol. It's to keep people from turning their gun, pointing it that way, because we're going to have people shooting over there at that other barricade, and keep people from pointing guns up range, getting excited about it. So, and that's really just that's going to be your personal preference. If I just shot somebody that was trying to shoot me, do I want to turn my back on them, or do I want to keep eyes on them until I can get to safety, right? Till I can get to some kind of cover. So it's just an option, and it's the way we can do this safely and still get the training out of it. Does that make sense? And the way it'll go is I'll be standing right beside the door. I'll ask you if you're ready, and I'll say, okay, you're getting shots fired, go. And I won't let you out of the car until your gun is empty. Sir?
Yeah, hey, real quick for vehicle guys. Bullets go through vehicles. I mean, it's just sheet metal and there's some steel frame. If it hits the frame, you might be okay. But most parts of the vehicle, the open sections, obviously windows, bullets are going to go right through. So if you're in the rear of the vehicle, we want to try and use the axle as our cover. And obviously up front, the whole engine block. So this is the most secure area. Most cover is going to be in the front. So things to think about if you ever get in a gunfight around a vehicle.
I am not muzzling my leg. The easiest way to do that, and it sounds a little juvenile, trace the steering wheel to come back over. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, trace that steering wheel. Once we're empty, we'll be all right to work on our gun. Make sense? All right, game on.
What's up? We're here in Moyock, North Carolina, and behind me I have the students for our Overcome and Survive training course. A lot of people have asked me, hey Jay, where can I get some training? I wish I could learn a little more of just basic trauma medicine. I wish I could learn a little more of situational awareness or marksmanship. This course does it, guys. I am fortunate enough to have some of the most amazing instructors, individuals who all have real world experience. We have the ability to take the average everyday American and ramp them up to a level of readiness, give them some confidence so that, God forbid, things went wrong, they'll be ready. You need to sign up.
Have a seat. All right. When I start hitting, that's the shots being fired. Draw your weapon, trace the steering wheel, shoot him till you go empty.
Okay.
Then we'll move. You ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Shots fired. Go. There you go. Now open the door with your support hand. Push it, hold it open with your feet. Now back around the truck. Back around the truck. Keep going till you get to the corner. Get low. Reload on the way. Look at high. Do this for me. Breathe for a minute. What I want you to do is give yourself space off of the truck. All right? So back up. Right? If you can't see over the hood, work your way to the front to where you can knee and get around. Smooth press. There you go. A little bit left. A little bit left. That's a hit. That's a hit. There you go. Good job. Good. Straight trigger finger. Check your whirl. Holster up. Good work, Brett. Good shot. Keep shooting until you go empty. There you go. Doors open and back around the truck. There you go. Back around the truck. You can start working on your reload as you move. There you go. There you go. Good work, good work, good work. All right. There you go. Back around the truck. Keep the gun pointed down range. There you go. There you go. There you go. Keep working. Keep working. Give yourself some room to work. There you go. Check your world and holster up. Watch your trigger finger. No, you're good. If you want to shoot him again,
Nope,
shoot him again.
Good, I got it.
All right, you ready? When I start hitting the door, that's the shots being fired. Ready?
Okay, yep.
Don't forget to trace the steering wheel. Don't muzzle yourself. Stand by. Threat. Yep, get the door open. Keep the gun pointed down range. Back around the truck. Back around the truck. There you go. Give yourself some room to work. And safely holster up. Watch your shirt. Be careful of your shirt. Good work. Good work. Threat. There you go. Open up with your left hand. Yep. And keep the gun facing the target. Face the target. Yep. You're good. You're good. Keep backing around the truck. Now you can start working on your reload as you move to the engine. There you go. Stay low. Give yourself some room to work. Let the gun lead the way. Good job. Go ahead and holster up the steering wheel.
Roger that.
I'm going to start hitting the wall. That'll be the shots being fired. I'll also say threat.
Okay, Roger.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Threat. There you go. There you go. Use your left hand, open the door. Keep facing the target and keep the gun pointed down range. There you go. Keep working, keep working, keep working. Move to the front of the vehicle. And take your time, give yourself room to work. Move a little bit if you need to. There you go. You check your world, holster up, yep, and grab your mag from the other side of the car. Good work. Who's next? There you go. You almost 5 rounds. You can start working on your reload as you go. There you go. There you go. All right. Give yourself a little room. Give yourself a little room when you start shooting. There you go. Make sure you give yourself room on the front. There you go. Right? Fix it. Good. Ready? Stand by. Threat. Do work. Riding. I like it. Whoop, whoop.